Welcome to the PayPal payment integration with PHP, Laravel 5 and Symfony 4 course. This course is about the integration of PayPal, the most popular online payment gateway. Using PayPal and personal account, you can buy products and services online, send money, and using a business account, you can accept online payments from customers. Both accounts are free to set up. The course will focus on accepting payments for products and services from customers, which is the business part of the PayPal. The personal account, as well as the basic version of standard payment implementation for business account, do not require any programming skills at all, so I will skip it in the course. In this course, I will focus on PayPal checkout and its implementation using PayPal REST API, which is the newest and the best way to handle online payments provided by the PayPal. Thanks to it, we can accept online payments for single or multiple products and services, handle subscriptions, automatically handle transaction notifications from PayPal, and so on. We will learn this by building two real applications, a simple shopping cart and a small video subscription application. I will make each of these applications from scratch in three versions, in pure PHP, Laravel, and Symfony frameworks. After completing the course, you will be able to implement PayPal checkout service using PayPal REST API by building applications in PHP, Laravel, or Symfony with accepting online payments and handling subscriptions. You will also be able to implement PayPal webhooks, which is the way of handling automatic transaction notifications. Also, to test these notifications, we will deploy our applications to live server. Take a look at the course description for more information and see you inside the course.